Today we're going to bring a multi-tool 14-in-1 tool. So we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to test some of them out. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is kind of essential if you're going to go hiking, camping. You want to take an extra tool. And this one comes with a little axe. And of course, they give you the little cover so you won't get damage or anything in there. If you guys can see, I actually used it today. So it's a little bit rough beat. All right. So it's kind of like a little bit of scratches here and there. Get a hammer, a little hammer, right? And then what you do is you actually press down here and it opens up for some more, all right? Now, the great feature about it, there's some actual cutters in there that you can actually do wire cutting. You could crush things. You could grab a bolt and actually twist it like a wrench, pretty much. You can do that part. Now, let's open up all the tools. First of all, they give you a knife, right? That's kind of like the main thing, of course. They give you a Phillips, all right? They give you an actual saw, and they give you a bottle opener and a can opener here, pretty much what you have in here. And then they give you a different kind of saw too. And this one's actually a different pattern because in the back of it, if you guys notice, there is actually a filer in here. And I use that filer for certain things like that. Besides just all the tools itself, the grip itself, you lock it in and it just pretty much ties everything up, even the hammer part. This is a great feature in case you're gonna go hiking or on the mountains, and it's a great gift too. The holidays, Father's Day, this is a perfect thing to do. Now, what I recommend you is sharpen a little bit of the actual axe because it's a little dull when it comes in there. Purposely do it so it won't crush or cut or anything during shipping. So that's the only thing you probably have to do. Other than that,